Inside a mountain village workshop, a glowing golden wind-up bird sits under a glass dome. A young raccoon smiles at it. Quick cut, the dome is open, the bird gone, golden feathers drifting toward a window. The raccoon follows the trail into the forest. At a wooden bridge, a calm bear strums an instrument. Reflection shows the bird perched safely near the workshop. Final cut, raccoon retrieves the bird, places it back. Bird glows and sings. Bear naps